Hello there everyone, my name is Alpha and welcome back to another episode of Review. Today we are doing a twosome. So we're unboxing two things today. Today we have Oranges Go, Thomas and Percy. And you may be asking, why did I get this? You know what I'm asking that? Myself the same question. But anyways, so let's review Thomas first. So here's the front, here's the side, Thomas's face, here's the back, and here is the other side. AKA the back and AKA the other side. So yeah, let's get this thing open. Alright, and here is Thomas. So here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, here's the top, here's the bottom with Thomas's name on it, and here's the whistle, the dome, the funnel, his face, the coupling rod, and here's the back coupler, and here is the 6 small wheels. Here's the number 1, and yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, let me just get Percy out now. Alright, and now here is Percy. So here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, and here is the other side. Here's the top of Percy, here's the back of Percy with Percy's name on it. So yeah, let's get this thing open. Alright, and now here is Percy himself. So here's the number 6. Here's his his wheels. Here's the front. Here's the back. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. And with his name on it. Here's the side of him. Here's the other side of him. And here is the back. And here's the running board, the coupling rod, the back coupling rod, and let me just get time to show them both here together. So yeah, there they are. Let me just couple, and so here's the number 1 on Thomas, and here's the number 6 on Percy. Let me just couple them up to show. So they can run with each other. And so here they go, just jumping along. Yeah, just jumping along. And so yeah. So yeah, so here is Thomas and Percy. So I hope, and what do I rate this? It's actually pretty ironic from the Oranges Go series. I don't watch that, but they look pretty good than the CGI push-alongs. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and have a great night.